Hi, I'm Teresa Collins. I want to invite you to my first self-care virtual retreat. I'm so excited because I know that you're going to benefit so much by focusing on you. A self-care retreat that is all about renewing and regenerating you. Why am I doing a self-care retreat? I find that sometimes we spend so much time taking care of other people and focusing on our job and all of the other life obligations that we have, and we don't spend enough time on taking care of our own self-care. I believe that if we allow ourselves to truly fill our bucket and to focus on ourselves in so many different areas of our life, it actually helps us to help other people by filling our own bucket first. I always say you can't give what you don't have. Join me for the Renew Teresa Collins Self-Care Retreat. I know that along with me and all my amazing guests, we are going to work on self-care in 10 areas of our life. Not just one or two, but we're going to go deep on all the different ways that we can show ourselves more love and more caring and more compassion. It's time for you to step away and take time for you. I could not be more excited because we're going to focus on our mind, our body, and our soul self-care. I'm going to go very deeply into 10 areas that I truly believe that we need to focus on, to take more time on. And also, we are going to focus on a 30-day self-care challenge that I know will change your life. Please join me and know that you are worth it.